So hey guys, what's up? This is Sahitya back again with a new video. So guys, in this video I am going to talk about few tips to become a successful programmer. So इस वीडियो में हम पाइथन को ज़्यादा फोकस करेंगे. पाइथन में आप कैसे एक अच्छा फुल स्टैक पाइथन डेवलपर बन सकते हैं, पाइथन में क्या क्या फ्रेमवर्क है एंड पाइथन आपको कैसे हेल्प करेगा. तो इस वीडियो में हम वही बात करेंगे एंड पाइथन पे आप कैसे एक अच्छा करियर बना सकते हैं उसके बारे में हम वीडियो में बात करेंगे. तो लेट्स बिगिन विद द वीडियो. So Python is one of the topmost programming language of the present world and it is used by majority of developer. However, learning Python is not as great as one might like to believe. Okay, so we know that Python is one of the finest language and fastest language. Okay, so if we are beginner who wants to learn a programming language like Python, here are few tips that you can grab and you can follow up. Okay, so talk about first point, know the concept. The first and foremost aspect of the Python programming language is to understand the concept. This includes starting coding and knowing the basic of the platform while preparing the list for it. Okay, this can include the built-in range function for the execution of the code. Okay, and this list includes like map, function, loop, list, dictionary, etc. and etc. So basic concept of every programming language is important to grow up. Okay, so coming back to the next point, that is collaborate and learn. Okay, the method that you can learn from collaborating with others are easier than going into the programming language on your own. It is essential to surround yourself with others that are also learning Python or others programming language so that you all can help each other and learn the major things. Pair programming can be gateway to solve problems easily while getting benefited from both sides. Okay, so pair programming is one of the most important thing you can opt. Okay, so coming back to the next point, that is build something. So that is build a project. Next is to start the code. It is best to start from the basic to learn about Python and doing exercise that can give more insightful into the development process. Start from something small to get a hang of object-oriented programming like OOPS concept, data structure, dictionaries, list, strings, etc. and write classes. It can be a calculator, guessing game, Bitcoin price notification, and also dice roll app or something related to tic-tac-toe or something related. That's you can develop some mini apps, mini softwares like Alexa, etc. Okay, so start with the Python coding with these basic steps and you will be good to dive deep into the Python. Okay, so hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Tab tak ke liye see ya, have a good day, take care, bye bye, thank you.